Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 8 Best Panasonic Professional Camcorder in 2024.
Top 1.
Panasonic AGUX180 4K Professional Camcorder, AGUX180 PJ8, with padded case, LED light, 64GB memory card and more base bundle. 1X Panasonic AGUX180 4K Camcorder AGUX180 PJ, 1X Large Padded Carrying Case, 1X Professional LED 160 Video Light 1X 64GB SDXC High-Speed Memory Card, 1X 6X 6-inch hook straps, assorted colors, 1X Deluxe Cleaning Kit, 1X Memory Card Wallet, 1X SD Card USB Reader, 1.0 Type-C MO Sensor, 4K 24p, UHD 60p/50p/30p/25p/24p. FHD slow motion recording at 120 fps. UHD/FHD dual codec recording. 16-axis color correction function, 8.8 to 176 mm 20x optical zoom with OIS. 3x manual lens control rings, IR night shooting.
Top 2.
Panasonic HCV770 Full HD Camcorder with 64GB SD card and 57-inch tripod. Bundle includes Panasonic HCV770 Full HD Camcorder, Extreme Pro 64GB 95MB/SUHS1 SD memory card, and 57-inch tripod, black. 20x optical zoom. By driving each lens group separately, drive ranges are reduced to deliver high image quality and high-powered zooming. It also keeps the body compact, even with a 20x optical zoom. HDR, capture clear shots with excellent detail in both bright and dark areas. By combining two images taken with different exposure times, the HDR movie function suppresses blown highlights and blocked shadows for crisper, clearer videos. Wireless twin camera. Using your smartphone's Wi-Fi, you can shoot from two angles at the same time. And because you're shooting with two different cameras, you shoot from any distance or angle you choose for a variety of picture-in-picture images.
Top 3.
Panasonic AGUX180 4K Professional Camcorder, AGUX180 PJ8, with UV filter, close-up diopters, wide-angle lens tripod, padded case, LED light, 64GB memory card and more advanced bundle. 1X Panasonic AGUX180 4K Camcorder AGUX180 PJ, 1X Large Padded Carrying Case, 1X Professional LED 160 Video Light 1X 64GB SDXC High-Speed Memory Card, 1X 67mm Telephoto HD Lens, 1X 67mm Wide-Angle Lens with pouch and lens caps, 1X 67mm Close-Up Filter Set, 1X 67mm UV Filter, 1X 6x 6-inch hook straps, assorted colors, 1X Deluxe Cleaning Kit 1X Memory Card Wallet, 1X SD Card USB Reader, 1.0 Type-C MO Sensor, 4K 24p, UHD 60p/50p/30p/25p/24p. FHD slow motion recording at 120 fps, UHD/FHD dual codec recording. 16.
Top 4.
Panasonic HCX20 4K mobile camcorder with rich connectivity plus LED light plus 64GB memory card plus filter kit plus telephoto lens plus wide-angle lens plus cleaning kit plus case and more. Bring your mobile sports, event, or documentary video productions into the world of 4K with the Panasonic HCX20 4K mobile camcorder with rich connectivity. Featuring a large 115.03 MP 4K sensor, the HCX20 can record high-quality, professional-grade video in up to UHD 4K, 3840 x 2160, 10-bit 4:2:2 resolutions. You can all.
Top 5.
Panasonic HCV785K Full HD Video Camera Camcorder with 20x Optical Zoom Bundle with tripod stand with bag and rechargeable batteries, and 128GB memory card, 3 items. Bundle includes Panasonic HCV785K Full HD Video Camera Camcorder with 20x Optical Zoom and 1/2.3-inch BSI sensor, Travel DSLR camera 59-inch tripod stand with bag and rechargeable batteries, and 128GB SDXC Canvas Go plus 170MB/S read memory card. Sensor. The V785 features a 1/2.3-inch backside illumination sensor, has a large effective area and 34% larger pixels than a 1/5.8-inch sensor for reduced noise in low light. More stable pictures. The level shot function feature detects and corrects the tilting of captured images. Hybrid OIS thoroughly suppresses blurring all the way from wide angle to powerful zoom shots for crisp, clear images. Powerful zoom in a compact camera body. By driving each of the 4 lens groups separately, the drive ranges are reduced, resulting in high image.
Top 6.
Panasonic HCVX1 4K HD Camcorder, HCVX1K, Bundle. With LED video light plus soft bag plus cleaning set plus 62mm UV filter. Panasonic HCVX1 4K HD Camcorder, HCVX1K, LED video light, deluxe soft bag, deluxe cleaning set, 62mm UV filter, 4K 30MP 4HD video and 26MP stills, 1/2.5 back illuminated MOS sensor, 24x Leica dichromer optical zoom, wireless multicam smartphone function. The HCVX1 4K camcorder from Panasonic employs an f/1.8 to f/424x Leica dichromer zoom and a back illuminated 1/2.5 MOS sensor for optimal imaging, even at lower light levels. The HCVX1 captures 4K video up to 30 fps Full HD video at. Top 7. Panasonic HCX1500 4K Professional Camcorder with 24x Optical Zoom, Wi-Fi HD Live Streaming W/soft case plus SanDisk Extreme Pro 64GB card plus Clean and Care set plus more. Starter Bundle. Bundle includes 1x Panasonic HCX1500 UHD 4K HDMI Pro Camcorder with 24x Zoom, 1x SanDisk, Extreme Pro UHSI Memory Card 64GB, 1x Soft Padded Carrying Case, 1x Cleaning Kit, 1x 9-in-1 USB Card Reader, 1x Memory Card Wallet. Industry's smallest and lightest 4K/60p camcorder, professional shooting everywhere. HCX 1500 packs advanced functions in a well-balanced body to excel both in functionality and mobility. Flexible framing with 25mm wide angle and 24x optical zoom. The lens covers the range from 25mm wide angle to 600mm tele with a 24x zoom. I.zoom achieves 32x zoom with 4K resolution, and 48x zoom with FH. Top 8. Panasonic HCX 2000 UHD 4K 3G SDI/HDMI Pro Camcorder, with 24x zoom W/soft case plus SanDisk Extreme Pro 64GB card plus clean and care set plus more. Starter bundle. Bundle includes 1x Panasonic HCX 2000 UHD 4K 3G SDI/HDMI Pro Camcorder with 24x zoom, 1x SanDisk Extreme Pro UHSI memory card 64GB, 1x soft padded carrying case, 1x cleaning kit, 1x 9-in-1 USB card reader, 1x memory card wallet. Industry's smallest and lightest 4K/60p camcorder, professional shooting everywhere. HCX 2000 packs advanced functions in a well-balanced body to excel both in functionality and mobility. A new ultra-thin fan disperses the heat to allow the construction of the industry's smallest and lightest 4K/60p camcorder and a very low power consumption. Flexible framing with 25mm wide angle and 24x optical zoom.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.